How to save as template in Audiate. First of all, open your project in Audiate where you want to create a template from. Make sure all your desired edits, effects, and settings are applied exactly how you want them to appear in the template. Next, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down, select Save As. This option allows you to save the current project setup as a reusable template for future use. After clicking Save As, a window will pop up asking you to name your template and choose the destination folder. Pick a clear and descriptive name so you can easily find it later. Once you have named it, click the Save button. Your template will now be saved as a template file on your computer. To use the template, simply go to File, then open Project and select the template file. Audiate will load all the settings and edits you included, saving you time on repetitive tasks. Remember, you can update and save new versions of your templates anytime if you make improvements or want to adjust settings. And that's it. Now you know how to save as template in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.